Alright, today we are installing the Tyger, T-Y-G-E-R, trailer hitch on a 2015 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited, right there. This is the part that we're installing today. Okay, for this particular kit, we have 4 bolts. We have 4 locking nuts, and we have 8 flat washers. Start by putting 1 washer on each bolt. Now we're going to put it up in place. That. There's 4 holes here pre-drilled into your factory bumper, so no need to get the drill out. Now they suggest to drop the muffler down. However, I find that you don't need to. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and put our 4 washers on the other side. And now it brings us to the last part of this install, and it's the wiring kit. Simply unplug that, set this aside for now. Now inside here, there's actually a hole right down there where we could feed our wire through. And just like that, our installation is complete. You ready to go? So don't let the video fool you. That definitely was not easy. I would give it about 4 out of 5 for difficulty, 5 being the worst. It is attainable. Just have patience and position yourself however you have to get that to line up right.